Namaste all of you. This is Dr. Ramakrishna. Welcome to Mathematics and Easy Learning course. Concept is derivatives grade 12 CBSE. Now you have got the introduction of these derivatives in 11th grade as limits and derivatives. There you have learnt limits, then little introduction of derivatives there. Principal form of a derivative. First we start off principle of derivative. Now let f of x be a function derivable, then f prime x is called its derivative. F prime x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. This is called the principle of derivatives. Where h is not equal to 0, where h is called the neighborhood of x, neighborhood of x. Right? Now, we are not going to do any problem on this. Now, let f of x is equal to y, then the derivative of f of x is f prime x, which is equal to dy by dx. So this is called the way we write. This is the syntax we write, dy by dx. So any function, whatever function we take, the function is made as y. We make the function as y and try to write the derivative. Standard derivative forms. Standard derivative forms. So whenever we are writing a derivative d by dx, we will write d by dx of function. That is called the derivative. First one, d by dx of x is 1. Derivative of x is 1. We'll have an example also for that. Of some 6x is nothing but 6 d by dx of x, which is 6. D by dx of x is 1. Next, d by dx of x to the power of n is equal to n into x to the power of n minus 1. Example, d by dx of 5x cube minus 7x square plus 11x is equal to, for your understanding sake, I am writing 5 d by dx of x cube minus 7 d by dx of x square plus 11 d by dx of x. Now, according to that, this structure, n into a to the power of n minus 1. So 5 into 3 to the power of 3 minus 1 is 2. minus 7 into x square, 2 into x to the power of 2 minus 1, 2x, plus 11 into d by dx of it is 1. So we can write it as 15x square minus 14x plus 11. D by dx of constant is 0. Example, d by dx some 5, number 5 is what? The derivative of a number is 0. D by dx of a power x is equal to a power x log a power x log a. We'll have an example. D by dx of 2 power x. So what we'll write? 2 power x log 2. D by dx of e power x is e power x. Now, next, d by dx of log x is equal to 1 by x. D by dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Standard derivative forms of trigonometric functions. The first one, d by dx of sin x is cos x. D by dx of cos x minus sin x. D by dx of tan x secant square x. D by dx of cot x d by dx of secant x. Then d by dx of cosecant x. Standard derivative forms of inverse trigonometric functions. D by dx of sine inverse x is equal to 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. X where x square is not equal to 1. Okay, next, d by dx of cos inverse x is equal to minus 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. Next, d by dx of tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. D by dx of cot inverse x is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x square. D by dx of secant inverse x is equal to 1 by x into root of x and minus 1. And the last one, d by dx of cosec inverse x is equal to minus 1 by x into under root of x square minus 1. Please learn all these identities to solve the problems of the exercises. Hope you have understood my presentation right. Thank you very much. Hope you understood my presentation right. Thank you very much. More videos to come in the next future. Enjoy mathematics. Thank you.